The question was asked, how do I change the default font when I open a document or any defaults in a document? One way is to open your normal .dotx file or .dot file, depending on your system and what version of Word, and modify the fonts that you use in that file and then save it, because it's the file that determines what your normal documents always will be. To do that, you have to have permission of your IT people, and also have that know the location where your .dotx file or dot file is saved. So another way of doing it is this. I've got a blank document up here, and I'm going to change its fonts, default font here to be 16, and I'm going to change the layout. I want to have an orientation. Let's say I want landscape, and let's say I want the paper size instead to be legal. So now I have basically a legal document with 6, and I want to save this as a template. So I go up to File, Save As. I'm going to browse out to where I want to put my templates, and let's say I want to put it in my folder for this course. So I'll go out here to my Word Excel course folder in Word. You can put it wherever you have your other templates, wherever you want them. You make sure that you're saving it now here as a Word template, .dotx for version 2019 Word. It'll be .dot for your earlier versions. So if you're creating a template for an earlier version, you'd pick this option. We're using 2019, so I pick this option. And I'm going to just call this legal size landscape. I already have one. 16 point we could type here point font. Okay, so then I'll just save that into my custom office templates, and now when I want to start a new document, I pick File, New, and all of a sudden all of your templates will show up here, the default ones, the office ones, but I want my personal ones to show up. So I click Personal, and then I can come down here and look at my personal ones. Here's that one I had chosen before. Notice I've got other templates too. I've got a legal size landscape that doesn't have the 16 point. I have a notice of evidence. I've got how to create a form, audiovisual request form. I could pick this option, but this is one I just created. And when I pick it, it has all those attributes in it that I wanted for that particular template. So that's the way you would create your